Hey, so now that you have your theme, we're going to refer to this as your parent theme. You're going to want to install a child theme. So the one I'm going to recommend for this course is your Divi child theme. There's one called Divi Children. Again, I will put resources into the document below, but a child theme basically is gives all the functionality of the parent theme, but anytime there's updates to the theme or updates to the WordPress core, it can affect some things that make changes, right? So things could change and it could affect things on your website. That's what I was trying to say. Things can change with updates and that could affect the way things appear on your website. By having a child theme in place, you're preventing those changes from hitting your actual website. The changes will be made to the parent theme and to the WordPress core, and the documentation and the information put on the child theme will remain safe. So I want you to go ahead and make sure you have a selection for your child theme. I'll put some resources in the document on this section so that you can look into that too, but I want you to build everything on your child theme. Okay, see you in the next video.